Have you just bought a pergola from Spa World in New South Wales? Or are you thinking of buying one? If so, you most likely have some questions around building permits, council, and installation requirements. This video will cover frequently asked questions that apply specifically to New South Wales, and then I'll cover those that apply nationwide. This document is designed to provide a simplified overview of current regulations in reference to Spa World products. It is not a complete guide, and we advise all customers to seek independent advice in relation to their own personal site requirements. The information in this video was accurate at the time of recording. However, this can change without notice, and the viewer must check with their local council. Hi there, I'm Annabella, and in this video I'm going to get you up to speed with all the need to know information and common questions that apply to those shopping for or installing a Vortex pergola in New South Wales. Then I'll answer other regulations and questions that apply to pergola owners nationwide. To make it easier, I'll section this video off into 7 parts. The first section will cover specific requirements around building permits and installation in New South Wales. Then I'll cover frequently asked questions on installing a pergola, timing and how to assemble a pergola correctly, customizing and altering the pergola, pergola features, pergola accessories and ongoing maintenance. Section 1. Building permits and installation for pergolas. In this section, I'll answer the frequently asked questions that apply to you if you're assembling a pergola in New South Wales. Vortex pergolas are intended as semi-permanent structures. Please contact a local certifier or your local council for semi-permanent structure approval requirements. Do I require a building permit for a Vortex pergola? In most circumstances, a Vortex pergola is considered an exempt development and won't require council development approval. That's because pergolas commonly have a floor area that's less than 25 square metres, are less than 3 metres in height, and the floor area is less than 1 metre above the existing ground level. However, you will require approval if the pergola is located less than 900 millimetres from the boundary. Does my Vortex pergola need to be installed by a registered builder? No. In general, a registered builder isn't required to install a pergola. You can choose to be an owner builder, and to do this you may need to apply for an owner builder's licence if the value of the work you plan to do is greater than $10,000. Can I install my new pergola over an easement on my property? If you intend to position the pergola so it's located over an easement or an asset of a relevant authority, for example the council or stormwater or sewer assets, you may need to apply for consent as part of the building permit application. Spa World recommends seeking the advice of a local certifier. These specialists have the tools and knowledge that can help save you time and money. Contact us for a certifier referral in your area. Section 2. Installing a pergola. Will I need to hire an electrician to complete work on the pergola during installation? Yes, you will need an electrician to hardwire the electrical supply to the motorised pergola. This is to ensure the functionality of the motorised louver roof and LED lighting. They will hardwire the electrical supply to the motorised pergola and run a cable through the leg posts. You can arrange for an electrician to do the hardwiring around 2 hours into the installation process or after the framework of the pergola is in place. Do I need engineering for my pergola? Yes, engineering certifications for standard concrete foundations are included in the tech sheets for each pergola model. You can download these from our website by clicking on the pergola product page and selecting your specific pergola model. However, if you use any other foundation other than the concrete slab connection, for example you're securing the pergola straight onto a deck, then you may be required to have your foundation certified by an engineer. Can I install my pergola onto a deck? Yes, you can install a pergola onto a deck. However, for this type of installation, you will need an engineer to confirm the deck is structurally strong enough to attach the pergola to it. Do motorised pergolas require electrical approvals? Yes, all 240 volt appliances require electrical approvals. This is for the safety of your home, friends and family. These approvals are available on request, and to obtain a copy of electrical approval for a Spa World product, please email compliance@spaworld.com.au Does SpaWorld offer an installation service for pergolas? Unfortunately, SpaWorld doesn't offer an installation service. We suggest having a chat with your salesperson because they may be able to pass on referral options to you. Section 3. Timing and how to assemble a Vortex pergola correctly. How to assemble a pergola. Assembling a pergola requires at least 3 people to do the job. To make this a lot easier for you, visit this web address to watch the installation video and follow along with our SpaWorld team, who will take you through the assembly process step by step. How long does it take to assemble a pergola? This depends on a number of factors, including the installer's level of experience and technical ability, as well as the location environment. Generally, we suggest allowing around 4 to 8 hours. Section 4. Customizing and altering the pergola. Are the pergolas available at a lower height? The Vortex 3300, 3400 and 4600 all have an exterior height of 2.7 metres. However, it is possible to cut down the post height, and we suggest that you first speak with a builder or engineer. Are the pergolas available in a customised size? The 3 models in the range are different in dimension, and no, unfortunately, we don't provide the option of custom-made sizes. Am I able to attach the pergola to an existing structure, such as a house? We recommend that you discuss this option with your builder or engineer. Section 5. Pergola features. How many motors are on the Vortex pergola? The number changes depending on which model you're looking at. The 3300 model has 1 motor, the 3400 model has 2 motors, and the 4600 model also has 2 motors. Do these pergolas have a wind rating or classification number? Yes, you can find the details of this in the engineering certificate in the tech pack, which can be downloaded from the specific product page on our website. What grade of aluminium is used for Vortex pergolas? The grade is 6063T5. You'll find more information on this on the specification sheets on our website. Simply download the document from the product page for each pergola model. Section 6. Pergola accessories. Can you insert changing colours in the LED lighting? Although it sounds like a lot of fun, unfortunately this isn't an option that we offer at this stage. Do the louvers automatically close when it rains? No, this isn't an option at the moment either. However, you will need to use a remote control or touchpad on the wireless receiver to close the louvers. Does SpaWorld offer motorised pergola blinds? We don't offer motorised pergola blinds at this moment. However, we do offer manual pergola blinds that you can push up or pull down with ease. For more details, visit the pergola product page on our website. Section 7. Ongoing maintenance. How do I maintain my pergola? Regular care is key to keeping your Vortex pergola in top condition. We recommend that you check the screws are tight, and remember to check the screws at least once a year. If the weather forecasts snowfall or strong winds greater than 80 kilometers an hour, we recommend opening the louver blades. Don't open or close blades in frost or snow. Remove blades from pergola when there's a lot of snow. Check seals to make sure they're in good condition and not vulnerable to leaks. Clean debris such as fallen leaves regularly to prevent them from blocking the drain. Watertight systems aren't designed to ensure complete waterproofing. Heavy rain and strong winds may damage the pergola and won't be covered under the warranty. Check the stability of the pergola regularly. This is extremely important because any damage incurred or caused by the pergola detaching from its foundation due to natural disasters, high wind, or other extreme weather events is not covered and is the responsibility of the homeowner and installer. It is not covered under the manufacturer's warranty. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. You should have a much clearer idea of the regulations and recommendations that apply to pergolas. Now you'll be able to start or continue to set your Vortex pergola up in your outdoor space. To refer back to a certain section in this video, scroll to the time log in the YouTube description below. You can also head to the Learning Centre on our website. And if you'd like to speak directly with a SpaWorld team member, head to your nearest showroom.